Good day, my good friends. We have a review of this watch some time ago, the W96H from Casio. The strap is good, with a special interface design, but the question is it possible to change it to NATO Strap? That is a challenge to me, so I made a prototype for the adapter in Design Spark Mechanical. And by the way, I also have a 3D printing channel in case you're interested, W3D Studio. I will put the link in the description. So this is the adapter prototype after printing and then also finishing. Here we can see that the bottom side follows the shape of the watch locks. Now let's install these adapters. Let's take off the original straps, loose the screws. It uses screws like this, so you will need a screwdriver. And with its long unique locks, it's difficult to make the adapter compact in size. So this is the shortest or the closest possible position of the adapter. Now I put the screws back to hold the adapters. And make sure the locks are in the correct position. Then we put on the other side. This is the adapter after it is installed. And now for the straps, it's going to use a 20mm NATO strap. This is how it looks. Now I put it on. As you can see, the adapters are sticking out, make the watch looks even longer. And the question is it cool or not? What do you think? Let me know what you think in the comment. By the way, in case you're interested in trying one, you can get the STL file for this adapter in Couch 3D. I'll put the link down below. Have fun, don't forget to subscribe. See you again in the next video. Bye!